let's just take this off. Whew, I didn't see this gonna be disastrous. Whew. Y'all, why did my hair stay stationary right now? Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have in mind to refresh my curls because this is just practice. I recently did my curly hair routine 3 days ago and I was thinking, okay, I want to glam myself up today. I want to look pretty. But then I woke up and my curls look like this. I mean, they look a little cute. The curls are still there. They're still popping or whatever. But I won't wear them down and I don't know how they look. So let's see. Y'all, why did my hair stay stationary right now? So after I've taken my hair down, I'm just fluffing it out, looking for spots that are dry and fuzzy, and just checking to see where I need to moisturize it and where it needs to be recurled. Right now I'm sectioning off my hair from the back and the front. I'm not giving myself a particular part because I'm just going to wear my whole hair down in like a diva cut way. But if you want to section your hair, you can at this point using a comb and just part your desired way that you want your hair to fall. But I'm just going to tie this piece of my hair up to get out of the way and start working towards the back. Now that my hair is sectioned, I'm just going to start working on the back. Here I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm going to apply some warm water to the back of my hair, spraying it to dampen it a little bit, not too wet because I don't want it fully wet, but I just want to apply some water enough to activate the products that's already in my hair. So I'm just going to smooth the water through my hair while I'm separating my curls. This is going to activate the existing products that you already have in your hair, and it's going to make your curls more defined. So I'm just going to take my edge brush right now and define the part that I had in my hair because some sections were in this part and it was just pulling and it's complicating things. So I'm just going to continue smoothing the water through my hair, activating the products that's in my hair and separating the curls. And then I'm going to feel if any small sections are dry that needs more water, and if so, I'm just going to continue to spray it and dampen it a bit, activating those products that I need. Next, you can take your favorite leave-in conditioner. Here I have my Cream of Nature coconut milk, and I'm just going to spray a bit of this into my hand because I like to apply this directly to my curls and I like to smooth it on as well. So here I'm applying it to the front of my hair where I think that it needs most of the attention, and then I'm going to moving on to the back. I'm just going to apply this leave-in conditioner on bigger sections because I'm not looking for total defined curls in the back because I like the volume and I love the fluff in the back, so that's not necessary for me. But if you prefer more defined curls for the back section, then you go ahead and do the same technique that I did to the front. Like I said, I'm just going to continue applying the leave-in conditioner to the rest of my hair, working it through and fluffing up my hair at the same time. So I'm just going to take my favorite eco styler, which is the Krystal Clear eco styler, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount of this to my palms and apply a bit of it to the front of my hair by sectioning off the curls that are the most frizziest. And I love this product because it actually comes my curls together, giving it a more defined curl pattern, which I am going for right now, and I'm just going to work it through. So now that I'm finished with the back, I'm just going to tie it back to get this out of my way, making sure that I am not pressing too hard on the curls because I just refreshed them. So I'm going to tie it away, and then I'm going to start working on the front. I'm going to follow the same techniques that I used for the back, apply some water, leave-in conditioner, and then my eco styler. My hair originally fell into a middle part, so I'm just going to section it off since it did that, and I'm just going to work on them separately, doing the same techniques like I said: water, leave-in, and eco styler. So now I have both sections completed, and now I'm just going to separate the curls in the front because I like a little bang. So I'm just going to separate them to my liking, and yeah. Now I'm just taking out the back ponytail. I'm going to fluff up my hair, shape it, and get it even because it was inside that ponytail for a bit, so it's taking form like the ponytail. So I'm just going to use my comb because I do not have a pick. Don't come at me. I'm just using my comb to fluff up my hair some, pick it out, give myself some volume. So here are the results. Yes, bouncy curls I live for. Okay, yes girl. I'm loving these results, and I'm just gonna play with these because this is so gorgeous. So thank you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below if you have some suggestions, some things that you would like to share that you do for your hair, some methods that you think I could apply to my technique to make my hair have more volume, or just to define my curls some more. But this is just something that I do for my hair. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, share with your girls. If they have natural hair, share with them. If your boyfriend got natural curly hair and he wants to know how to define his curls, share with him too. These tips can help him too. If you just want to share with your Grammy, if you want to put this on your TV, why not? hit the notification bell so you can see every time that I post. And remember, stay blessed. I love you and have a nice day.